wouldn't want to combine a love of nature with a love of art? In fact, nature is often the inspiration for many a painting or a poem. Well, Ingrid is here with her butterfly origami video lesson on Twinkl Teachers.
In today's lesson, we're going to be learning about butterflies. We're going to be learning some fun facts about them and also making our very own origami butterflies.
It will provide a delight for all children to learn a little bit about what butterflies do, their purpose to pollinate, why they look like they do, and other fun facts like
Butterflies are fascinating creatures for so many reasons, only one of them being that they can taste with their feet.
who would have known? Kids also find out about the purpose of their colouring and their patterns.
Some butterflies have colouring that makes them more intimidating to predators. For example, their colouring might resemble a bird or a snake that could be more dangerous to the predator. On the other hand, some butterflies are actually poisonous to the creatures that might want to eat them, so their bright colours sort of act as a bit of a warning.
And they also get down to business to make their own origami in a step-by-step activity. This will provide plenty of fun.
On the side facing you, fold up these two corners of the triangle. Now, when you flip it over and bend the wings a little, you should have your butterfly.
Do have fun and don't forget to check a whole range of lessons such as art lessons and nature lessons on the Twinkl Teachers part of the website. Bye!